In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Mercado Pago account quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Mercado Pago app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your smartphone or go to their website. Step 2. Go to your wallet or balance. Tap on My Wallet or Balance to access your Mercado Pago funds. Step 3. Select Add Money or Deposit. Choose the option to add money or deposit funds into your account. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. You can deposit money using different methods like bank transfer, cash deposit at authorized locations, e.g., convenience stores or payment points, debit or credit card, if supported. Link your bank account or card for faster deposits. Step 5. Follow instructions for your chosen method. For bank transfers, Mercado Pago will show you the bank details to send money. For cash deposits, it will generate a payment barcode to scan at the authorized store. For cards, just enter the card details and amount. Step 6. Confirm the deposit. Review all details and confirm your deposit. Funds usually show up in your Mercado Pago balance within minutes to a few hours, depending on the method. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy payment tutorials.